Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce menopause symptoms. Start by making simple lifestyle adjustments. Prioritize a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables alongside regular physical activity, which can significantly improve your overall health. Maintaining a healthy weight is also crucial, as it can help alleviate the intensity of many symptoms. Additionally, ensure you get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to support your body's natural rhythms. Hot flashes and night sweats are common, but manageable. Try dressing in light, breathable layers so you can easily adjust to temperature changes. Keep a small fan nearby or use cooling towels. It's also helpful to identify and avoid your personal triggers, which often include spicy foods, caffeine, or alcohol. Practicing slow, deep breathing techniques can provide immediate relief during an episode, helping you regain control and comfort. Menopause can impact mood and bone health. To support your emotional well-being, incorporate stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. For bone health, ensure you're getting enough calcium and vitamin D through your diet or supplements. Aim for 1,200 milligrams of calcium daily. Always discuss potential hormone therapy options with your doctor, as they can offer significant relief for various symptoms and protect bone density. If your menopause symptoms are severe, significantly impacting your daily life, or if you have concerns about your health, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider. They can offer a personalized diagnosis, discuss various treatment options, including non-hormonal medications, and help you create a comprehensive plan tailored to your specific needs. Remember to check the description below for helpful resources, including a link to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.